First things first, gather up 8 to 9 fresh strawberries and a couple of ripe bananas. Slice them up nice and thin. Now take 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, the kind with 33% fat, mind you. Pour it into a mixing bowl and give it a good whip until it starts to thicken. Next, add 6 tablespoons of condensed milk to the whipped cream. Keep whipping until you see soft peaks forming. That's when you know your cream mixture is just right. Now grab your serving glasses or bowls. Start with a spoonful of the cream mixture. Then add a layer of those ripe banana slices. On top of that, a layer of juicy strawberries. Keep repeating these layers until you've used up all your ingredients. Make sure you save a few strawberry slices for the final touch. A little garnish on top always makes a dessert look even more delectable. This delight can be served immediately, or if you prefer it cold, chill in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Either way, it's a treat that's quick to make and even quicker to disappear. That's it for today's recipe. If you give this strawberry banana cream delight a try, share your experience in the comments below. And remember, the recipe is in the description. To help Magnolia Moon whip up more delicious treats, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get Magnolia Moon to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for joining me.